Okay, here are 3 tapes that are broken. And as you may hear in the background, I found a tape with some Greek music. As you can see, there's a pressure pad but no tape. By the way, this is a housing for a Memorex 60-minute normal bias tape, but inside is a Cassette tape, and has this compact cassette logo on a bunch of cassettes, even Philips cassettes, I think. And by the way, those got blue reels, so I'm gonna open this up. Listen to what was on the Greek music tape. I think this is a Shadows tune. Really nice music. Oh, wrong screwdriver. Okay, as you can see, the leader tape, I think it's called leader tape, is not connected to the tape anymore. So I'm now going to, I will try to fix this with a bit of sticky tape. Okay, I got it back together, and as you can hear, after a few Shadows tunes, the Greek guys again. So, let's see if it works. And fixing a tape is damn complicated when you got sweaty hands. But I hope when the tape ends and the tension gets stronger, it don't goes apart again. Let's listen to side 2. Sweet again. Okay, so this tape is fixed. Let's try to fix the other one. Okay, let's have a look at the other one. This actually has 5 screws in there. Okay. I want to get all the tape off there. And as you may can see, the tape is sticking together there. So, man, don't go off. Okay, I'm going to try to get it apart. Oh, that was easy. I think it's fixed now. Just have to get it all. And there again. Which isn't easy because this stuff is so thin. That's actually when you got such a tape in your hand, it's quite heavy. Okay, let's get it in there. Over the first roller, through here, over the pressure pad, and over the second roller. Oh no, it's out there again. Good, I think that's okay.
Just... Oh, it's caught there. Oh no, the reel's out of place now. Ah! Now it's in there again. So, I think that's it now. Put the screws back in. Tapes are quite easy to fix. You can't glue a CD back together when you broke it apart. Okay, wait a minute. My tape will go to here. And turn the Greek voice down. And works perfect again. Okay, let's take a look inside this one. It's quite old tape, and the pressure pad is in half. Actually, this tape doesn't have the screws in, so I pulled the tape out here, and as you can see, the pressure pad isn't in its place anymore. The bottom part and the top part. I think a little bit of a drop of glue can fix this. So now I got my super glue here, and I'm going to try to glue this on. I think I'm going to get all this stuff off first. The bottom part is different foam, and the top part is kind of a felt stuff. I'm going to put all this out of there. Glue the rest in and then hope it will work. Oh, come on, stay there. Okay, I think I have an idea. To give this a little bit of a base again, took the fluffy stuff of a Q-tip and formed kind of a base here. I'm now going to glue this on to the pressure pad. And now I got it on my finger, I'm going to stick myself everywhere. This glue is really good. I think you can, if you're not careful, you can glue your fingers together. Okay. Get off. Now I got this together. I hope I don't glue the tape on here anywhere. Gonna put a bit of glue at the bottom. And get it back in there. Oh no, I glued myself to the tape. Okay, I'm going to leave this for a while, and till the glue is dry, then try it out. So I think the glue is dry now. Let's try this. Hopefully the glue is really dry. Oh, tape is at its end. Let's try the other side. Hide away, turn your face from the sun. Little boy, hide away, for the game has just begun. Hide away, hide not on the door. For the rain in your eyes, I believe you're living for. Everybody, everywhere, we are all together there. Damn it. I left the bottle open, and now I got alcohol in my computer. Hopefully it won't damage it. I shut it down now, and hope this dries. And, let's have a look if the tape has lost something of its material, because this is very old. Nope, nothing on the head. Let's clean the pinch roller. Oh yeah, it has something, but I think that's from the previous tapes. Okay, I think that's it. And I'm going to get together all the interesting tapes and make a video, show you the most interesting ones. So that's it for now. Have a good day, and see you soon.